Hello everybody, this is Lisa and Timothy, and we're back again to show you some more affordable homes. So the first one here today is listed at $79,900. It has 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and 964 square feet. The address is 719 West 1st Street in Waterloo, Iowa. It was built in 1894 and is on about a 7,000 square foot lot. All right, now let's see. Has with 2 bedrooms plus a versatile bonus office or a potential 3rd bedroom. There's ample room to grow and customize to your needs. It has recent updates including new windows, carpeting, electrical panel, water heater, furnace, newer shingles, and brand new shower. It's been on the market for only 4 days, and it was listed by Chris Carter, phone number 319-230-3195 with EXP Realty. Now we'll look at the photos of it, see what it looks like. Got some trees near it here. There's a front porch, shingle roof. Here's the front porch here.
It's a nice big porch.
Yeah, it's nice and big. I would take the carpeting out myself.
Yeah, because it's gonna get moldy and mildewy when it rains
Yeah,
and
it
stuff.
looks stained from being wet to me right here. So I would take that out. But if you've got a lot of space to work with up here, which I like, you might put a hanging swing up here. That would look nice. Or you can put some chairs out here. Anything you want. It's got lots of space. Got sidewalks in this neighborhood also. Here is the main living area.
Is this AI? Because that sure looks pretty.
I think the furniture ones are, and the ones without furniture are probably not AI.
Got it. Okay.
Pretty sure these are the real photos right here.
Yeah.
Versus
I thought
the
it looked
staged.
really nice
Yeah.
with all that furniture. I mean, just that's amazing what that furniture does to make a difference.
It really is, yeah, because it shows you the potential. That's why they put it on here too, because I think it just shows you the potential of what this could look like.
Yeah.
It could look really nice like this.
It looks so different.
Yeah, I like the white furniture they put in here.
I do too.
Really nice. Here's the dining area, which is staged by AI also, most likely.
Oh, it is. Yep.
And here it is without the furniture. And I will say this carpet also in this house is very clean. It looks almost new.
Yeah.
Here's the living area again from a different angle. Got some nice windows in here.
I love all the windows, and I like the nice, clean carpet.
I like the woodwork around the windows also. It's nice, adds character.
Definitely.
Big living area.
I know a lot of people don't like carpet, but I like carpet because it cushions from the hardness of the floor. Like in our house, the place we live now, it has concrete floors with just that little glue-on flooring, and it is so hard on your feet, your ankles, your joints, everything. I just don't want that when we move.
Yeah, I mean, it is a lot softer on you, carpet.
And if I ever fall, I want to fall on carpet.
Yeah.
not anything hard.
Yep. Here is the first bedroom, which is staged. Here it is without the staging.
Wow, it's just so pretty with the furniture.
Yeah, let me go back to the photo again.
I want to see it.
It's really nice with the furniture. And even though the bedroom is really small, it still looks really nice with this furniture in here.
Yeah, that's a full-size bed.
It is, yeah.
And it fits, and you can fit like a chest of drawers over there.
Yeah, you can.
So, I mean, it gives you plenty of room. You're just sleeping in there.
Yeah, that's right. You also have a nightstand over here, too. Enough space for that. It's pretty cool. This is the second. Well, I mean, I think this is what they said was an office area. These 2 photos here. Like could be like a 3rd bedroom. Because I think it connects to different parts of the house. Like through here, it connects to one room, and then through this door, it connects to another room. So.
I don't think it's big enough for any kind of bed, though. Is that the same room there?
Yeah, this is it. Yeah.
Oh, okay. It looks bigger in this view.
It does, yeah.
But still, there's not much of a bed that's going to fit in that room.
Actually, wait. No, that's a different room. Sorry, that's a different room. Okay,
Yeah.
so So this is the third room. Okay, so this one
Yeah.
and this one are that office area.
Yeah, that looks too small for a bed.
Yeah.
It would
Yeah.
make a nice office area, like you said,
Mhm.
you know, or a little hobby room.
It would, yeah. And there's another room here. Probably the second bedroom.
Yeah.
And I think this is that.
This is another bedroom here.
This is. Yeah, yeah.
Because the other one didn't have a lamp. I
Uh-huh.
remember the lamp on the other one didn't have a lamp.
Yeah.
That's how I know that's different.
I think, yeah, okay. So this is the office bedroom here. Right here. The office bedroom we talked about earlier, this is it with staging. So they're showing it could be a bedroom with this right here. The one we saw earlier.
Yeah, is that the picture?
It's staged. It's a little confusing because the pictures are kind of mixed up. But I'm pretty sure this is that second bedroom we saw, or that, office area.
Yeah.
Staged. Here it is again. This is the same room, office room. And then that one, those pictures we saw earlier before this, were the third bedroom, or the second bedroom, right here. This is the third room. Okay, now.
It's very confusing.
It is, yeah. Wish I'd put them in order.
Yeah, yeah.
Here's
And
the
showing
main.
it from a different angle too, so we can see from like
Yeah.
the doorway.
Yeah. Know what you mean. This is the main bathroom here. The shower. Looks like a newer vanity. Here's the kitchen area.
Looks like you've got linoleum in there. It's
It
so
does,
hard to
yeah.
say. And it looks like an electric stove. I
Uh-huh.
don't see a dishwasher yet.
Yeah, I don't think it has one.
No dishwasher.
No. They took multiple angles of the kitchen, which is good.
Yeah, they did the best on this room, didn't they? Because
Mhm,
they showed
they
you
did.
all the different angles.
Yeah.
Is that a pantry there, or is that
This is, I
leading
think,
to a basement, or?
yeah, it's hard to be sure. Don't know what it leads to. And this is, yeah, another bonus area. This one's more narrow.
This would be good for hanging like clothing and stuff. You know, you could
Mhm.
put your clothes up against the wall that doesn't have the window. You know,
Yeah.
put racks and hang your clothes there.
Yeah.
Or you could use it for other storage.
It's really surprising to me how many additional rooms this place has,
For that small square footage.
Yeah, it's just because all the rooms are pretty small, so they can
Mm-hmm.
get away with having more rooms.
Yeah.
And here is a storage area, which is behind the property. It's kind of like a finished out porch or something, maybe like a closed-in porch.
Yeah. Wouldn't it be nice if they did a video of a walkthrough and just showed you every room from the front door on?
That would be nice.
Or
Yeah.
it would show you exactly what the place looked like and where everything was.
Yeah, I would like that. That would be very helpful. Very helpful. Now let's check out where this one's located. It is northwest of Cedar Rapids, and it's northeast of Des Moines. It's also near Cedar Falls, a small town nearby. Okay, here it is on the street view right here, and the parking is around the back end alley. Because it does have, I believe, a one-car garage out back in the alley. Across the street from you are these neighbors over here. And I will go around to show you one edge of the alley. I can't go down it, but I can show the entryway. Right here. This is the alleyway. So we're parking somewhere down here.
You could show overhead that shows the.
Yeah, okay, I'll zoom in on overhead and we can see it a little better. I did that earlier. And you can see the garage. Okay, here is the house, and then there's a structure back here which looks like a garage to me. And there's an alleyway right here. There's a driveway here for parking. So the front of the house is over here.
Cool.
Okay.
Did you show where it was yet on the map?
Already did, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll move on to the next one now, but before we do, I do want to ask everybody to like the video and subscribe to the channel because that really helps us out and it helps us get these videos out to other people that could really use them. So we would really appreciate that.
The second house is in Chidester, Arkansas, and it is $60,000, 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, 1,202 square feet. It's on 5351 Highway 24. It was built in 1925, and it has a little over 2.5 acres. It's been on the market for 159 days. And it says it has outbuildings, a stainless steel fridge, and a new gas stove. It's got a peaceful setting, but it's close to town. And the listing agent is Hannah Moore, 870-807-0768, and she's with Southern Realty Group.
Okay, we can look at the photos of this one now. Got a shingle roof. Has a lot of land around it. We'll see that later on Street View.
Don't be turned off by this appearance either because it's nice inside.
Yeah, and also
Just needs painting on the outside.
just seeing it from a different angle sometimes can really show you too how nice it really looks.
Yeah.
Like on Street View, you can see that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and they have the floor plan here, which is really helpful. You have the main living area, you have a dining room, kitchen, and 3 bedrooms, which all connect via this hall.
1 bath.
1 bathroom also, yeah. And here is the main living area, which has some nice hardwood flooring in this room. I love the front windows also.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Just take that window unit out and
Yeah, and take these window coverings off
yeah,
too.
exactly. Put some nice window coverings
Yeah,
up there.
some nice curtains or something.
Wouldn't
yeah.
that be nice with some plantation shutters?
That would be really nice. Yeah,
Mhm.
it could look really nice with that. Got a lot of potential here.
What is that hanging? Do you know? Is that fly strips?
It's
tell.
possible. I can't tell by the photos what that is. I'm guessing fly strips or something. Yeah. Well,
hard to
what else?
tell.
What else would it be, really?
I
I mean,
don't know.
here's the kitchen area with laminate flooring.
It's a
And
beautiful refrigerator and stove. Isn't
Yes,
it?
they have some nice stainless steel appliances in here. And they look to be very high quality,
Mhm.
expensive appliances.
Yeah. Gas.
It is. Here is the dining area. Also has hardwood flooring in here.
Another fly strip.
Another fly strip, yeah. I guess that's what it is. But this dining area, we saw by the floor plan earlier, it connects to the living area, the hallway, and the kitchen.
Maybe they have fly strips because they have trash in that room.
Maybe, yeah. You never know.
It's nice hardwood floors. I
Yeah,
mean,
they are, yeah.
it's-
And they're in most rooms also.
Yeah.
Here's the first bedroom. Wish they would have taken this off the window so you could see it better.
Yeah. I guess these people just, they probably just didn't have the money to just fix it up the way they needed to, 'cause
Yeah.
obviously you could tell they didn't put window coverings on there. So
Mm-hmm.
I mean, you can just tell it could be so much nicer.
It could be, yeah. I mean, just imagine some staging in here. That would make it look really nice.
Mm-hmm. That would.
Some nice furniture, some window coverings. Yeah, that'd be really nice. And here is the second bedroom with hardwood flooring also. And the third bedroom.
Bigger bedrooms in this house.
They're pretty large bedrooms, yeah. Has 1,200 square feet, so I mean, it is surprising how large the bedrooms are for that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that was just a little narrow, but
Yeah.
it's bigger than the last house we saw.
It is, yeah. Get the bathroom here, which looks very nice and bright and cheerful in here.
Mm-hmm. It
The
is.
white tile on the walls and the floor. Also, the shower is nice too. Look at that. Tiled shower.
Mm-hmm.
And here is the utility room. Outside the house again. I bet you could power wash this and get the stains off. What do you
Yeah.
think?
I don't know. If you couldn't, you could. I mean, is that wood siding? I wonder. You could paint it.
Yeah. Yeah, you could paint it or you could power wash it.
Try power washing first.
Yeah.
Right?
There are like some damaged areas out here. Looks like they're covered with wood. Some little patches, like here.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe it seems like the siding is missing here.
It looks like wood siding to me, but I'm
Could be.
not an expert on that.
Yeah. Here's an additional area that looks like it's being used for some kind of farm animal, probably chickens, maybe.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think?
Does it have a cover over it?
I don't think so, no.
It looks like it could be for chickens.
Yeah, and there's extra storage here too. Here's a storage shed also. Here's some of the land, but we'll see this better on street view. Okay, let's go over to see where this is located on the map real quick.
It's much nicer on street view.
It is southwest of Little Rock, Arkansas. It's northeast of Shreveport. And it's not too far from the Texas border and Texarkana. Now here it is on the street view. This is the land that you get here. You can see it's fenced off. It's really nice.
Mm-hmm.
Really nice piece of property.
It's really nice land.
Look how pretty this looks on street view.
See how the picture didn't do it justice? It's like,
This footage was taken in March 2024, so it's not that old, you know?
yeah.
So, look at all this land. See across the street from you.
Look at that. That's nice.
Yeah, this person has a lot of land around them too.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of trees in this area. Okay, everybody, thank you for watching the video. That will do it for us today. And remember to stay tuned for more videos in the future and to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. We'll see you in the next one. Have a nice
good
day.
day.